In this video, I wanna explain how I do my self-nail and also my self-hand care routine because I think this works for everyone and this way is recommendable for people who can't go to nail salon so often or if you can't afford to go nail salon so often. It's very good to sometimes do nail polish by yourself, and I actually prefer to do nail polish by myself because I sometimes don't feel well to chat with, how can I say, the staff in the nail salon because speaking with people are sometimes not therapeutic and sometimes stressful for me. So I personally prefer to do nail polish by myself because I can also choose my favorite color easily every time I find my favorite color. And this is very good nail polish, I think. My friend gave me on this Christmas day, not Christmas, on Valentine's Day, and has subtle glitter inside and very uplifting, beautiful red color, like as if this is a Christmas ornament. So I love this nail so much. And if you wanna keep your nail polish longer time, you need to polish your nail surface before you apply nail polish. Like this glass nail polisher, you can polish the surface of your nail and also edge of your nail, so you can easily shape your nails according to your preference. And also when you can only use this one too, because after I polish my nails with glass nail polisher, it will become like as if you are wearing clear nail polish and looks clean and beautiful and shiny. So if you don't like nail polish, you can just buy this and polish your nails. Because if you are housewife or chef or like people who need to wash your hands often, like nurse or medical care people, it's difficult to keep your hands moisturized and healthy because tend to be easily become dried and the nails tend to become cracked. So I recommend to take care of your nails with this, and I also often practice hand pack. Like after I take a shower, I just apply hand cream, whatever hand cream works. So you don't need to buy this. Just use moisturizer or hand cream or baby moisturizer will be also will be worked too. And after I apply a lot of hand cream, I wear cotton gloves and wait for a while. I usually just dry my hair or clean around my bathroom, and you will be surprised after you remove your gloves because your hands become so soft and moisturized and feel very comfortable. So so the point to keep your nail polish for longer time is polish first and try to moisturize your hands often. I already, like, today is day 3 and no cracking. I already took a shower twice and do many houseworks too. No cracking. Thank you for watching. If you are living in Germany or in France, I really recommend this brand. I don't know if I can find this one in the US, but I will look for it later. Thank you for watching, and I thank you to my friend who gave this one to me. Bye bye.